Hey, Danny here, and welcome to my vlog. Well, we're going through the evaluations of the Lunchables. This is a fun pack, considered the chicken Dunkins. And as you can see, in that you're getting 5 chicken nuggets. There's some sauce. I'm not sure that's tomato. And then you get your little strawberry nerds and your drink. So this would be perfect for a 5-year-old. I would say that age group would be fine. This time around I managed to get it early enough so I can see what it's going to taste like. Let's see. Do not freeze, just keep it refrigerated. And of course, adult supervision. It doesn't give any age group on that, but this is what you're getting in the chicken Dunkins. Thanks for watching. Like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. You'll catch me on more of Dana's vlogs. And this is the unboxing of the Lunchables Fun Pack in the chicken Dunkins, or chicken dunks. And there is no heating to these. You just open it up and eat them.